Hello everyone. If you would like to earn money from Instagram, so this is the right place for you because I am going to tell you how we can earn from Instagram. As we already know that Instagram is a huge platform in the social media space, but the thing is not many of you might be knowing the actual potential of this platform. So I'll tell you, Instagram can be a great source of income for you if you understand how to use it properly. In current scenario, Instagram is a very booming career, and I have also seen my friends who are making good amount of revenue when they follow proper strategies. So I'll tell you whatever I have learned from the experience of my friends. So watch this video till the very end. As we all know, due to pandemic, people are working from home. So opportunities to earn online have increased. So not only influencer marketing, but normal people are also earning money from Instagram. Sound exciting? Yes, of course. So now I'll tell you 7 ways to earn money from Instagram. Number 1, brand collaboration and sponsored post. Collaborating with brands is the most preferred and best way to earn money from Instagram. As we know, influencer marketing is rising rapidly. So more brands want to collaborate with micro and nano influencers. And this market is constantly evolving in terms of niche and sub-niche influencers. And various small to big companies are showing interest in influencer marketing. To get success in it, the very first step before you start earning from Instagram is to work on a niche. And you have to define a niche to stand out from the crowd. And the second step is to have a business account on Instagram, as it gives you more insight than having a personal account. As per survey, Instagram is a huge platform with more than 1 billion plus active monthly Instagram users. So how will you differentiate yourself from others to earn money? Very simple. You have to follow a strategy for it. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best way to earn money from Instagram. As we know that today every business wants to market their product online, and affiliate marketer can help them with their social media following. And if you have a decent number of followers on Instagram, you can join affiliate program. And after joining this program, you can add links to your Instagram and make a commission on every sales you generate. So here I am suggesting best affiliate marketing companies. So number 1, Amazon Associates. Number 2, eBay Partner Network. Number 3, Share a Sale. Number 4, ClickBank. Number 5, HostGator. Number 6, GoDaddy. As Instagram has a strong network of influencers, so it would be the best place for affiliate promotion. Number 3, Instagram Influencers Consultancy. If you are an expert in a particular field, you can create a business model and earn money from Instagram by giving consultation services to your followers. Consultation services can be given in any field like health, fitness, business, finance or career. Instagram is a fantastic place to find clients for the consultation if you can grow your audience network by providing valuable information on your page. Number 4, sell digital products on Instagram. As we know, about 1 billion people are scrolling daily through endless content on Instagram. So, how will you differentiate yourself from others? So the key is to have consistent and high quality content. So there are over hundreds of examples on Instagram where people are constantly putting content and making money by selling ebook or other digital products. So there are multiple digital products idea that you can sell on Instagram. Number 1, ebook. It may be in the form of guides, recipe, how-tos. Number 2, printables. It may be planners, journals, digital art. Number 3, videos. It may be tutorials, lessons. Number 4, photography. It may be stock photos, mock-ups. Number 5, audios. It may be audiobooks, and music. Number 5. Social media marketing services. Nowadays, social media marketing agencies are one of the biggest growing industry. Many biggest brands like Nike, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Starbucks are selling their products on different social media platforms. So the opportunity is really huge. And according to HubSpot, 61% of the organizations pointed out a positive impact on revenue growth with social media marketing services. You already understand that if there is an opportunity, there might be a huge competition as well, because there are many big companies already established that are providing social media marketing services. So now question is that how will you stand out from the crowd? And answer is to work smartly and to pick a niche. All you have to do is to understand how the Instagram algorithm works and what you can do to grow any account. Number 6. Coaching and mentorship services. I have seen many people selling their coaching services and earning money from Instagram. Just like consultation, anyone can sell their expertise by training people. Coaching or mentorship services are basically live training that is usually held for weeks. It may be 2 to 4 weeks, it may be 4 to 8. So depend on the content and the course. And these services can be in any field like personal branding, business communication, digital marketing, etc. Number 7. Sell online courses. Just like the coaching services, there is another opportunity to sell online courses on Instagram. The basic difference between these two is that coaching services are live training while online courses are recorded lectures. The EdTech business is a booming industry and there is a huge potential to earn money from Instagram by selling courses. And according to Markets and Markets, it's expected to grow from 85,818 million USD in 2020 to 1,81,265 million USD by 2025. Now I can say Instagram is growing with rocket speed and more people are shifting towards it. So Instagram is giving a great opportunity to small influencers to build an audience and monetize it. And now I suggest you to take small actions with patience by implementing one strategy at a time and then scale them accordingly. I hope you like this video and this will help you to earn money from Instagram. If you have any questions, you can do comment on the comment box and you can drop an email to me. See you soon with the next video. Till then, Vande Mataram.